When the case is open, take care to ensure that the push cable doesn't unspool from the drum. If the cable unspools, it can be seriously damaged, resulting in a costly repair. If the cable ever does unspool, use extreme care to ensure that it doesn't become damaged. If the entire cable is unspooled, you'll want to lay it out flat if at all possible, and to avoid kinking the cable, set the drum into the open case so that it can rotate freely, and keep one hand close to the drum to make sure that it rotates easily when you feed the cable back in. If a small amount of cable escapes, feed it back in carefully. Make sure that the drum turns while feeding the cable, and pause if necessary to straighten the cable if it starts to become twisted. Anytime the cable unspools, there's a high risk of it becoming kinked. There's also a chance of injury, so always use protective eyewear when opening the case. To minimize the chance of unspooling, push the camera fully into the drum before opening the case, and never pull any amount of cable out of the drum. To feed the camera through the cable guide, bend the camera head and spring up, and close the case over them. Following these simple guidelines will greatly reduce the chance of personal injury or damage to your push cable.